Hey everyone! Today I'm going to talk about something that affects millions of people worldwide, anemia. First off, what is anemia? Well, it's a condition where your blood doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells or hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is super important because it helps carry oxygen throughout your body. So, how do you know if you have anemia? Some common signs include feeling tired all the time, looking pale, experiencing shortness of breath, or even having a rapid heartbeat. If you're feeling any of these symptoms, it's a good idea to check in with your doctor. Now let's get into the causes. Anemia can be caused by several things, like a lack of iron in your diet, chronic diseases, or even genetic conditions. Iron deficiency anemia is one of the most common types, and it can usually be treated with iron supplements and dietary changes. Foods rich in iron include red meat, beans, and spinach. But anemia isn't just about feeling a bit off. It can lead to serious complications if left untreated. For instance, severe anemia can lead to heart problems, like an enlarged heart or even heart failure. In pregnant women, anemia can increase the risk of complications both for the mother and the baby. So what can you do to prevent anemia? Eating a balanced diet rich in iron, vitamin B12, and folic acid is a great start. And of course, regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help catch any issues early on. In summary, anemia is a common but serious condition that can impact your daily life and long-term health. Don't ignore the signs. Get checked out and take steps to keep your blood healthy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.